What's up everyone? In this motive vlog, we're at Barbagallo Raceway for Powercruise WA and we're testing out the new GoPro 7. Alright, so the big news with the GoPro 7 is the auto stabilisation. They are claiming that it is the gimbal killer, that it is that good you won't need a gimbal, and it will revolutionise vlogs more than anything else, which is a big thing for us because obviously I do the vlogs with a GoPro because it fits in my pocket, but if it has stabilisation as good as they say, then me walking down the stairs right now should actually be pretty smooth. And it'll be a pretty good indication of just how much our vlogs will improve from the new GoPro 7. So let's hit the event and try it out. All right, we're going to do a little test on the GoPro 7. Here is what it looks like without stabilisation, trying to do a car walk around. Watch this. Now we're going to try the same walk around with the stabilisation on so you can see the difference. Here we go. All right, another feature the GoPro 7 has is the time lapse that's stabilised. So we're going to give that a go now. Check it out. Something tells me this guy's here to do burnouts. Wonder what gives it away. Where are we going?
Mystical journey!
One of my many roles at Powercruise is to be I'm Nikki's driver. Really? Because I'm such a mature, sensible driver, and so she can just put her legs up and relax.
I'm sick, I need someone to drive me.
Here it is, guys. Take notice. Powercruise driver's briefing video. I'm looking for the best mullets.
Singular, one mullet. That's a pretty good mullet.
So we're on the quest for stupid, smart, funny, insulting, every type of number, creative, whatever. Yep. If the number plate's worth talking about, we're going to talk about it.
And the worst of the worst, we will find them.
We're going to find some pretty vulgar stuff too. This number plate at first glance doesn't really mean anything, but it's an awesome car. It says KOTM. And it's Bathurst weekend, so do the math. King of the Mountain. An R32 GTR. Powercruise WA is the same weekend as Bathurst, so when I want to watch it, this is where I'm coming. Esky, couch, Bathurst. See me, I just do what I do. Would you prefer D's nuts or Tirana nuts? All right, I have found my daughter's favourite number plate. What type of woman gets in the car with number plate panty dropper? What if Nikki tells you to take your shirt off?
No, not there. I got nothing these days. It's got to be the rider, you know.
That's nice, I'm going to high five you for that.
Like that.
All right now I look like I'm on official VIP security business. Nikki's got an earpiece. I've got a suitcase. Here is your important documents, sir. How spectacular do you think it should be?
Spectacular. Oh, for the ice cream? I was going to say to you, when I say spectacular, you think it's spectacular enough, make it more spectacular.
That's pretty spectacular, I reckon.
That's not an ice cream cone as such.
Well, you said hold it in one hand.
I did want to, that is...
That's why, see?
Yep.
Got the handle.
Just don't show any cargo or anyone like that.
I don't know about you, I just do what I do.
what? This will be a good test of the stabilisation. Driving on a bumpy golf cart. All right, it's Powercruise WA, which means there's going to be a lot of Commodores. So let's go. Commodore. Commodore. Commodore.
They're not level. You're on drive. So look what I found. We've got a level. And we've got a...
Sit him on top, sit him on top. Let's do it. Here we go, here we go.
We're going to know once and for all.
And he ain't afraid to use it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not going to be
No.
No.
Come on, go, go. Oh, I was hoping you would open the door to this.
Hello. You called me at a really bad time.
Why? There is a mystical story at Powercruise about a motorised picnic table. And I decided I need to go for a ride. You know why I'm here, right? I want to ride on a picnic table that's motorised. That's what I want to do. I heard people get arrested for driving these on the street in Western Australia. Is this true?
Yes, very true.
Why haven't you guys got like printed on like vinyl or something, like a plate with ball, so it looks all formal?
Well, the other security over there asked for our amusement.
All right, now it actually is a picnic on a motorised picnic table. That brings our mystical journey to an end. Why? Why do you get stage fright with the camera?
I get stage fright in a lot of ways, to be honest, eh?
G'day Australia, it's Frosty from WA. How you going? Currently Andrew is in a business meeting. By that I mean he's in the toilet.
We're out with Aaron, 458. G'day. I've decided to come out in a Ferrari for two reasons. One, they're comfortable and awesome. Two, everyone will try and race us. What type of madman does this, you ask? Here is the face. If you could live any life, would it be the Powercruise life or the Maloo life?
Oh, no, you're kidding.
What are you doing, mate? Why you got such a big camera for vlogs? But apparently this GoPro can do it all. All of our entire team on the globally is resting on your shoulders. No pressure.
No pressure.
That was close. Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? Who got it?
Winner white car.
Oh, hey, import wins it.